This is the Financial News Network. I'm Maribel Aver. Activision Blizzard reported fourth quarter EPS of 53 cents is ahead of consensus estimates of 51 cents per share. Revenues fell year over year to $1.43 billion, missing consensus estimates of $2.36 billion. The company also announced a new $1.5 billion stock repurchase program. Robert Kotick, CEO of Activision Blizzard, stated, "Because of focus and disciplined execution, 2010 was another extraordinary year for Activision Blizzard. We made some of the best games we have ever made in over 30 years of being in the interactive entertainment business. We benefited from new content releases for two of the world's most successful online entertainment franchises, Activision Publishing's Call of Duty, Black Ops, and Blizzard Entertainment's World of Warcraft, Cataclysm, a new installment in the world's largest subscription-based, massively multiplayer online role-playing game. During the year, we grew our net revenues, delivered record earnings, achieved record GAAP and non-GAAP operating margins of 11% and 29% respectively, and generated $1.4 billion in operating cash flow." For more news updates, stay tuned. You're watching the Financial News Network. I'm Maribel Aber.